Good morning. This is my great pleasure to introduce my elastin lab to you. And my name is Mansuk Kim, and I am CEO at Elastin Lab Inc. Today I'll share my study about elastin and elastin care. And I want you to have the interest in elastin as well. As we all know, the dermis consists of collagen and elastin. But all skincare focus on collagen. Why? Why elastin is accepted? I wonder the reason why the elastin is accepted. So my study is starting from this. As you well know, collagen plays the structural support on the skin and most abundant protein in our body. And also, they exist as a fiber form, and there are so many various types. Elastin is the core protein in skin elasticity, and also it is the second abundant protein in extracellular matrix, and also consists elastic fiber with microfibers, and also this is insoluble protein and have very long shelf life, and generally not synthesized after grow up. So elastin provide elasticity to the tissue in skin and muscle or lung and ligament also. Because elastin has a very long shelf life, people think about that elastin consists their lifelong, but elastin also reducing in our tissue. As we see in this picture, in aged skin, and also I would like to share this photograph. Elastin should be placed between collagen, not in specific place. Located between collagen and give elasticity to the tissue. So E shows the normal skin and F shows the sunburned skin. The green one is elastin. In F photo, the elastin located on the skin. There are so many elastin, but no roll, no give elasticity because they're located in specific space and not located between collagen. So the elastin is hard to care. Back to the skin aging process. The skin aging from declining the skin elasticity from 20s to 40s, and wrinkle increase from 40s. So skin elasticity is the symbol of useful skin and skin age. So the elastin is more important in useful skin. Elastin Lab so focus on inducing elastin and collagen at the same time. In the elastin and collagen biosynthesis process, Elastin Lab induce gene expression level on protein expression level. And also, Elastin Lab activate the lysyl oxidase to cross-link between collagen and elastin from protein to fiber. With the Elastin Lab formula in vitro study, elastin and collagen was induced by 300% to 110% respectively. Based in this formula, I developed the skin booster, can care elastin and collagen, and also add hyaluronic acid, can care hydrate the skin. Elastin Lab consists of basically 6 amino acids: glycine, proline, alanine, lysine, leucine is the collagen amino acid, and glycine, alanine, valine, proline is the elastin amino acid. And also, as I mentioned, I add copper is an essential mineral to activate lysyl oxidase. Lysyl oxidase plays a cross-linking from protein to tissue or fiber. This slide shows the MOA of ElasLab. Use elastin and collagen in fibroblast. And after that, activate lysyl oxidase to cross-link each elastin protein to elastin fiber and collagen fiber. Finally, we expect the dermal extracellular matrix reconstructed by ElasLab. We're also developing ElasLab medical device. I'm conducting in vivo study with animal skin aging model, and we found the ElasLab induced collagen in animal model as well. And in comparing PCL pillars, ElasLab also induced collagen. In this animal study, I would like to show the elastin inducing with the elastin staining microscopy, and also I will analyze the elastin and collagen quantity in the tissue. With the dermal application, I found the skin elasticity is substantially increased by 23%, and also skin thickness and skin density was increased by application of ElasLab. And this is study published on Cosmetics in 2022. From this before and after photo, ElasLab show improvement in fine wrinkle and also have lifting effect in jaw line. With the application of micro needling transdermal system, we show the wrinkle improvement and skin tone improvement. And also with the fractional lasers, we found the wrinkle improvement in wrinkle depth by 20%. With the RF needle, we can see the improvement in skin redness and improvement in pore size. Elastin care plays a crucial role in aesthetics and also contribute overall health of appearance and useful skin. So I hope you have more interest in elastin and elastin care, and also in ElasLab. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for staying in time.